Good morning guys! Ikson Adventures here, and right now we're in the car going to Batangas Beach for diving! And I don't know what to expect as this is my first time. I apologize for my voice. I have cough right now and sore throat, so it's a bit painful and I might not speak clearly. Anyways, join with my family as we go to diving. See you there! Here at Planet Dive, and after a long wait, we're here now. Anyways, let's go.
Planet Dive. So Planet Dive is actually a dive resort. The good thing about Planet Dive is right in front of you is a dive site, a world-class dive site. This dive site is called Twin Mountains.
How do you find the diving?
Nice.
Yeah.
My hair is messy. I'd like to try it again.
A few moments later.
What is that?
I don't know.
Buko juice.
Yes.
Ano saan po kayo?
Dito lang din Batangas.
Ate ka lang.
Yan na oh, si Ninong dinodocument paghihirap natin.
Ilang calories din yan?
School niya kasi ano eh, hagdan.
Hi guys, Ikson Adventures here, and right now we've already finished diving, and now we're inside the car. Anyways, my diving experience was really nice. I got to see a lot of anemone fishes, and I got to see clownfishes. I saw especially one big one and one small one in anemone. And I saw one, you know, a fish like Dory in Nemo. Anyways, there was one, since there was one big one, I thought that was Nemo and he's dead. And I only saw one blue fish which looks like Dory, so I thought that was also Dory. Anyways, I really recommend you guys to dive as it was very fun. Anyways, now I'm also feeling strange to breathe through my nose right now. It is because I've been breathing through my mouth for like a long time already. There's also a buffet lunch which comes after you're done diving. Over there, there's also another swimming pool which you will practice how to like breathe and also other different skills. Anyways, my mom and dad really enjoyed it, right?
Yes.
Anyways guys, we really enjoyed it, so I really recommend you to see it. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next video. Bye!